Excuse me. Here, I'll get that for you. I've got it, no problem.
No, that's my feet, son.
Alright, okay.
It's all my toes. I've got rheumatics in the toes.
Ah, right. How far have you got to go?
It's alright. I have to the doctor says I've got to just...
Aye, take it easy. Aye. This is quite a heavy bag for you though.
No, it's alright, son. Okay, just put it down there.
I will do, don't worry. I've got that for you. You sure?
That's fine.
You honestly sure? That is...
Aye.
Right. You take care now, okay?
Thank you, dear.
No problem.
Thank you.
Oh, that's a shame. I thought she was going to walk for a lot longer. She's gonna go get even more stuff. If she wasn't gonna go in there, I'd walk for her like to where she needs to go, but you could see that she was in a lot of pain. That's a shame.
Bien et toi? Cosa? Hein? Doucement, hein? Un coup comme ça. C'est bon? Ouais, il y a du mal à trouver de l'essence. C'est pour ça.
Merci.
Je vous en prie, mademoiselle. Bon courage les enfants. Caméra. My wife has a ton of water in the car, and we're each packing up a little bit in our bikes, and we're just gonna kind of go around and hand people who look thirsty some water. Hey, you thirsty? You're welcome. How you guys doing? Anybody thirsty? Yes, sir. I got some ice water here. Got more coming too.
Thank you.
Yes, man.
It's a good day. God is good.
We got some more in the car here too.
Thank you.
It's hot out here today. You need one?
Mikey needs one, and I'm donating this to you. You give it away.
All right, we can do that.
All kinds of munchies.
Munchies for water. Did you get one, ma'am? You're welcome. Huh?
Feel bad taking that guy's food.
That's fine.
Give it back.
We can do it later. Give it to somebody else. He wants to pay it forward too. Like 102? Thank you.
If you ain't blessed now, God will bless you in the future.
I appreciate it, sir.
Hey, I like your little camera, Gabby.
Thanks, man. Yeah, you too. You need some water? Yes, sir. You need one for the pooch? Yeah, one for the pups. All right. You need a water? You guys thirsty? Yeah. One. Ah, shit! Whoa, whoa! My wife almost killed me. There was a guy on the side of the road. I gave him water. You're supposed to be watching. You gotta help me. You're not kill me. Work at the halfway house. I recognize you. You come in. Well, we're handing out water to people who are thirsty and homeless, so.
Thanks. Well, I'm not homeless, but it is hot.
It is hot, so. Yeah. Thank you. It's nice seeing you. Hopefully I won't see you again for a while. Ooh, damn. It's huge.
Push him over the...
I don't think I want to touch him.
I'll stay here, you're faster. There's a place, the triathlon by the pond.
Oh, yeah?
A mile there, just tell them there's a giant turtle. Push him.
Let me see if I can try to move him. I don't want to piss him off.
I know.
I know that they have really long necks, so they can, you know, they can move around and bite you.
Stick works? I don't know if he cares.
I don't know if the environmental police would actually help with this, do you think?
Oh, they should. They work in the park.
Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. He's gonna hiss at me. I know you're not supposed to ground by the tail, because that hurts them. Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. He's heavy. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come on. I got places to go, buddy. Let's go. I think he wants to go this way. Let's go. Come on. Come on. We gotta go. I know, I don't want to go either, but we gotta go. We have no choice. Alright. Come on. Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go, buddy. Let's go.
Yes. There you go.
Come on, slow and steady wins the race. And nobody loses a finger.
Oh, he's going.
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go. I don't know how he can climb that.
Oh, jeez. He'll be alright. I think he'll climb it.
Let's see. Up safety. Wow. Alright, we saved the turtle. Really
We snag a picture.
Put on your Facebook.
Yeah. Alright, well, it's nice meeting you.
Thank you. Good job.
Have a good day. And that was my good deed for the day. I saved a turtle.
I'm gonna see if I can help these ducks cross the road. They're going so slowly. Come on, buddies. Come on, buddies. Come on. Come on. Up you go. Up you go. Across you go. Go across. Go on, buddies. Go on. Go across. Go across. Go on. Good work. Now what? Can these guys get up? Oh. Oh, hang on. Hang on. Hang on. Oh, you got up. It's okay. Off you go. There you go, buddies. Well, we got these ducks safely across, and here comes Will. He's over there. And he looks like he's cradling something, so... Is it more ducks? Is it more ducks? So he's got some more ducks. Will, be quick, because they're going up the hill. Did you just nearly lose a duck?
Yes, he tried to jump out.
Let's see, can I see him real quick? Oh my god, so cute. How many?
Two.
Two.
Where's Mama? There.
There.
Hey, Mama.
You just dropped a duck.
Oh, they're just dropping like flies.
That's all right. They'll catch up. They'll catch up now. Ah, it's caught up. Yeah, all good. The 4 little ducks.